Welcome back to the Stepside build. I bring this video out. I want to thank everybody that's followed, all the new followers and what all. You got to admit though, this has got to be a better scenery than what we had. You're actually against the red toolboxes and the mess that was behind me. Those toolboxes are, of course, they're full. This will be here until something comes up, and then I may green screen it where it look like it's still back here. Who knows? You know, do something or do something to the wall behind me. We'll do something with it. But if something comes up, yeah, I'll load her up, move her on out. This is the third company that I stayed, you know, and helped shut down, and I really enjoyed the last 5 years. But we're gonna, after all the move and all the BS that went on the last couple of weeks, as you can tell, we're ready to continue on with the truck. We left off of 14, getting this ready to install. You can see we ain't going nowhere. This week we're going to try to get this installed. If material shows up, we're going to felt it. I don't like this padding that's on here, so I'm going to felt it over and get this mounted. We got everything to go in it, what all our switches or everything we needed. But anyway, I want to welcome everybody back to the truck build. We're going to concentrate on it until there's another interruption. You know, if we move or whatever. We are looking for a place to move to down in Burleson, Texas. So we're going to try to find a place down there. You know, it's got a little shop or, you know, something on it, or a bigger garage that I can work into or whatever, you know, to do these. I've got 2 or 3 that's in line waiting on me to finish where they've gotten burnt out on them, and they're asking me to finish them. Or that don't have the time. They don't have the time. They want the trucks done, ready to drive. So wherever I end up at, if I end up in a shop that does this, maybe we can carry them over there. Or if I decide to stay by myself, just do them there at the house or whatever, we'll do them there. You know, it all depends on what we end up with. But anyway, let's get 15 done. Get this thing mounted, see what it looks like. Go from there. So, like I say, thanks for staying with the channel. I know some left over the box deal, but hey, it is what it is. You know, either I didn't put up a video at all for the last 2 or 3 weeks and just continued on with 15, or throw up what's going on, you know, and this is what's going on. So we're back on the truck, and this is, what is this, Tuesday? We'll try to have 15 up Sunday, see where we're at on it. Weather depending though, you know, because I'm outside. I got the garage cleaned up and all, but still don't have room for the truck. This is a small garage, so we'll do the best we can. So like I say, weather depending, and we'll get this thing finished on up so we can enjoy driving it. So thank y'all. Let's get on with it.